Okay, I'm gonna crack your toes now.
Okay.
You can do it. 2 more. Let's just relax. Is that terrible or what?
Yeah.
I just cracked your neck.
That felt better than this.
This time I'm just gonna pull down in this direction and then pull like that, okay?
Okay.
Nice and gentle. Sink into your breath. Good.